There's this really interesting way banks in India are now checking if you're credit worthy, and it has nothing to do with your salary or bank statement. They're looking at whether you pay your phone bills on time, your electricity bill, even your mobile payment history. And it's completely changing who gets access to credit. Here's what's happening. Nearly 75% of motorcycle owners in India are now financing their bikes through this alternative credit scoring system. Banks figured out that someone who consistently pay a 200 phone bill is probably going to pay back a scooter loan too. The numbers are crazy. Some rural banks have loan books over 1,000 crores just for two-wheelers, with down payments as low as 5%, apps in local language, flexible repayment tied to seasonal income. They have basically redesigned the lending for people who were completely shut out before. But here's why this matters. When someone in a small town gets a scooter, their entire economic world expands. A vegetable vendor can suddenly serve five neighborhoods instead of one. Rural women are starting delivery business. Students can actually commute to college in neighboring towns. And it's accelerating fast. 24% of new fintech lending is now going to rural areas, with young borrowers and women being the fastest growing segment. So while everyone talks about India's digital revolution happening in cities, the real financial inclusion breakthrough is happening on the back of motorcycle in small towns. One phone bill payment history at a time. They are bringing millions of people into the formal economy. It's basically proving that credit worthiness was never really about how much money you make. It was about whether anyone bothered to look at the right data. Save this.